Looking for a versatile, high-quality microphone for streaming or podcasting? The Maono PD300X is packed with pro-level features that take your audio to the next level, all at an affordable price. With 192 kHz 24-bit sampling rate, the mic captures every detail of your voice, delivering clear, professional sound beyond a great quality. Use XLR for studio setups or USB for plug-and-play convenience, perfect for any recording environment. Plus, you can fine-tune your audio with adjustable noise reduction, EQ, and presets using Maono's powerful software. A 3-in-1 smart knob lets you easily control mic gain, headphone volume, and monitoring, while the quick mute button adds extra convenience. And with an aircraft-grade metal body, the PD300X feels premium in hand and is built to last. Whether you are streaming or podcasting, the mic delivers exceptional sound quality at a great volume. Now let's hear how it sounds in action. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please don't forget to subscribe, and the links are in the description. Until next time.